Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Pretty Party Kit. With beautiful balloons and a confetti-inspired look, this kit just makes me feel like celebrating. The designs in this kit have such a lovely color palette that pops with the elegant gold foiling. There are 9 cards, 3 of each design, and it's available in English, French, or German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. cards are a great way to make someone feel celebrated. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!